Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ka Office Jungka District Medical and Health Officer West Jaiñtia Hills District ha ka ship hotarek urisaw arhajar apawar kala Rakhe ka World Mental Health Day ya ka balapan long Hamintong Community Hall. Ka World Mental Health Day kadai ka sni ka bala Rakhe ha satla ka perthai man la ka ship hotarek ubanai risaw. Ban yathir jingmut bat ban hikai kumno ban yada naga jingpang jingshitom jingmut jing perkhan. Ha jowa yakani ka program lapan long daga district mental health program bat ka mat preng ka long make mental health and well-being for all a global priority. Kiriu shampang ki bala ai jing batai halor kani ka program kilong ka Dr. A.N. Paswet psychiatrist nodal officer ka district mental health program bat ka Shilomi Singkon clinical psychologist kiwe ki ba ai jingkren ki kenthop yaka kong Diana Roy tongper psychiatric social worker bat u Dr. Idan medical and health officer u balapanya ya ka jingalang. Hagani ka program lawan banjashim bentaru daki school ki ba kenthom ya ka government boys and girls Saint Mary Mazzarello girls QC Springside bat ka Thomas Jones College harangkat bat kinong hikai.
Let by P like so down, let a good P clear P, let a chance to be a spit like to the white. Tang at end you must have young P with chong of a dog clam cement, no cement, memo like to the white or let with thing chat clam brew, there is stigmatization. What thought let a lie there? Thou on my brew do corner path of obey. Before going further with this theme, I would like to ask you, do you have mental health problems, yes or no? No. Rakhe, no. Raise up your hand those who say no. At the end of the session, every one of us here will understand we all have mental health issues. But what are those? Because these are stigmatized already. The man stigma the yobeng lepai gru imlang sa lang haga jib yung iman kasni the chai yobeng lepai the mental health yung bru ite daw you get out from that space. We have various kinds of students coming up to our clinic for help, alright, for mental health problems. At first they do not know that it's mental health problems, but while coming to our session they understand that we need help, alright. So if you have any of these problems which I am going to discuss, please don't keep it with you, alright? Phone with Miss A. Ông ấy ca hẹn hại em vào trong dùng mặt thế. Quản ông sang thụ để nó được kể có hả, anh quan em đi thế, hiện nó trong dùng, bla 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 bla. Ini bộ kelam, umi nhọ lại kelam. Is it possible to save him? No. So don't do only ask. Miss A, Krungo, ask her. She didn't listen, she didn't help. Now, wait, number B, Mr. B. Oh, kamu mulai. Mr. B, lap yang phone yang, phone. Oh, me yang ma. We cut it short. Tawa drama drum, tawa cut it short ma. Tawa ni phone ma, I mau drum yung ngate ngate. Kenal yung lock ako. Yung lock yung oh. What? He just what? He just listened. Will he be able to save him? No. This is also a wrong technique. Now, last picture. Last technique. What do you think this person will do? Let's see what she does. Okay. Masin phone me. Tak ketuk phone. Masin phone ni ông với cá. Hello, nga em ở trong em vừa just nhau ông làm qua được mình bật thai. Mi ông có hay what em nè. Mi ông nga em ở trong ông cái này hiện ở trong dùng nga em ở trong mình. Che đôi tham sắc thô ở trên chính em làm tem. Sắc thô ở đây cả đây chứ ba hiện ở trong dùng. What is she doing? She asks. At the same time she listened. At the same time she helped. So these are the three things to save somebody's life. Alright, so let's give them a clap. Okay. In